quick refresher from yesterday, if you have half a line, which is basically one endpoint and goes infinitely in the other direction, that's called a ray. If that ray intersects a second ray at the same endpoint, which is called your vertex, that creates a figure called an angle. This particular angle has a measure that's less than 90 degrees. This is called an acute angle. If you have a one ray that intersects a second ray and it forms a 90-degree angle, that's called a right angle. If you have a ray that intersects a second ray at the vertex and the angle is between 180 and 90 degrees, it's less than 180 but greater than 90 degrees, this is called an obtuse angle. And then finally, if you have an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees, this is called a straight angle. Now, I know many of you are from the city, but if you are from the country and you like math, you'll really like this tool we're about to use to measure angles. It's called a protractor. Anyway, if you notice, there's two sets of numbers on your protractor that go from 0 to 180 and then turn around and go from 0 to 180 in the other direction. In the next two videos, I'm going to explain to you how we measure angles and then how we construct angles. I know a lot of you don't have a protractor at home, which is fine. Don't worry about that. When your assignment is on Study Island or on IXL, you will have an online protractor. If you're at home and you don't have a protractor, that's also not a big deal. This is just some information that I think you need to make sure you know how to do before we move forward.